Alienware is back at it again with the Alienware 34-inch curved QD-OLED gaming monitor with the model number AW3423DWF. Hi friends and welcome to Victor's Reality. We have some exciting news from Alienware as they are revising the QD-OLED Ultrawide gaming monitor, being more efficient and cheaper with this amazing display technology. So let's take a look at what Alienware is offering to see if you should get the DWF over the DW. Is it an improvement? Is it a downgrade? We shall find out today on Victor's Reality. Starting off here friends with the award-winning QD-OLED monitor. Now with FreeSync Premium Pro, this beautiful quantum dot display technology will bring all your games to life in a whole new way in the 21:9 format with 99.3% of the DCI-P3 color coverage with the TUV certified Comfort View Plus that reduces the blue light emissions without impacting color accuracy. The industry's fastest 0.1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time and up to 165 Hz native refresh rate. This jaw-dropping new design features a slick QD-OLED curved 1800R panel integrated with the iconic new Legend 2.0 ID, plus customizable RGB Alien FX lighting, 360 ventilation for better heat dissipation, improved cable management, and a new centralized OSD 5-axis joystick to make adjusting your settings a lot easier. The height adjustable stand with height markers and the tilt, swivel, and slant capabilities allow for easy viewing adjustments. Still critical for creating Creator Mode. The OSD menu option allows you the flexibility to choose between the native DCI P3 and the sRGB color space, depending on your work needs, and the ability to adjust gamma settings. And don't forget friends, the outstanding 3-year QD-OLED gaming monitor warranty that covers OLED burn-in to give you that additional peace of mind. Here, let's take a look at detailed specification friends, so we can compare versus the DW with this new DWF. As you can see here friends, what has been downgraded is from 175 Hz now to the new 165 Hz through DisplayPort. They only include the VISA Display HDR True Black 400 certification, removing the HDR Peak 1000 that is currently on the DW. Also friends, this new DWF only has one HDMI and 2 display ports, while on the DW, it had 2 HDMIs and 1 DisplayPort. So that's something to take note. The DWF does support AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and it also has the VISA Adaptive Sync Display certification, but it is not G-Sync Ultimate like the DW. That is something that makes both of these monitors very different. The DW is G-Sync Ultimate with the G-Sync module for your NVIDIA GPUs, while this new DWF is strictly FreeSync. I'm sure we won't have any problems with G-Sync compatibility, but still, the module gives you that peace of mind with an NVIDIA GPU for the ultimate performance. Also, what I've been able to find is the Alien FX lighting. This new DWF only has 3 zones versus the 4 from the DW. What's missing is the back stadium halo on the back of the monitor to give you that beautiful ambience lighting. I have showcased that here on the channel. That is something to take note if you're into that beautiful ambience lighting. But included in this awesome amazing monitor is the dark side of the moon color. That stealth color makes this monitor look very different from the DW. I really love this black look. It's stealthish, it looks amazing, and it would go perfect with all your black accessories. Now that was the overview of the monitor. Let's see what Alienware themselves are saying. The Alienware AW3423DWF will be available in the US at $1099.99 or $13.99 Canadian. The Alienware AW3423DWF will be available in China on October 18th, 2022, and you can start ordering it from the rest of the world on November 8th, 2022. So far, the availability is only for the US and Canada, according to the press release. But you can see here, the availability will be October 18th in 2022 in China, while November 8th, 2022 is reserved for the rest of the world. I will bring you more information as more confirmed release dates are available, especially for Europe. QD-OLED technology at its finest, and it's getting cheaper. I just wonder how much cheaper they can go, and why can't they give us our 16:9 formats that we all want that will sell out immediately at the 27 or 32-inch size. What do you guys think so far? Will you be buying the DWF over the DW? As you know, I have the Alienware AW3423DW, and I love this monitor for HDR purposes, while I still think SDR seems to be a little bit lacking versus all other monitors that I currently have. But HDR performance truly is next gen and cannot be beat. And so far, I have not had any issues with burn-in over the past year on my DW. I have used this almost every single day for content creation. For gaming, no burn-in whatsoever. So this warranty is amazing, so you can have 3 years of confidence that your monitor won't display any kind of image retention. And I say I use it in the worst case scenario because literally every single day, 10 hours plus, no burn-in has appeared. So there you have it, friends, the Alienware 34-inch curved QD-OLED gaming monitor, the new AW3423DWF, is coming very soon, and all we can hope is that Alienware has gotten the shipping problems fixed and they can get these out as soon as you order them. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it helps the channel tremendously so more people can see it to help them make that awesome buying decision. Consider subscribing if you want more information on the Alienware Curved Gaming QD-OLED gaming monitor lineup, among other Alienware monitors coming out in the future. Friends, we do live stream here on the weekends, so why don't you stop by and say hi when I showcase these amazing monitors on a wide variety of games. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.